Hardscape.com. We just finished remodeling our Boca Raton showroom. We got our 3CMs along with our cobblestones, our porcelain cobblestones, which are now in stock. Beautiful product to go as a border edging on the driveways. We have some designs on special, which are on the racks. And then our popular porcelain pavers with some of the natural stones that we still carry. At the end over there, it's our porcelain cobblestones. And we're ready to open up again and introduce our shellstone to customers. We got some new materials like our 3CM porcelain planks. Also our very popular silver white, now in a 24 by 24. And a couple other things that we're working on. We got a couple of travertines, Tuscany and Roman travertine designs we're working on. It's gonna be available soon on 3CM porcelain pavers as well for driveways and pool decks. Come visit us. Jupiter office is already open and remodeled, and we just finished our Boca Raton showroom. 6401 East Rogers Circle, suite number 2. Call us at 561-998-5000. I'm sorry, again, 561-998-5000 to make an appointment and come see some beautiful porcelain pavers and natural stone designs that we have to offer. Thank you. Have a great weekend, everybody.